Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 76 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the importance of patience. So let's start. In this fast moving world, everyone wants success in just a minute. They are not waiting, they are not having patience anymore. And why I am saying this? Because they have got a habit of live life without patience. If they want any food, they can just order it in just a one click. If they want any clothes, they can just buy it in just a click. If they want messages reply, they get just in a few minutes. So whatever they are trying, they are getting just in a minute. So they are due to technology, they are lacking patience nowadays. This technology is good also, but it is also bad. It makes our mind dull and it makes us to think less. We are not able to think more while using technology. Yes, it is good, it is providing us information, everything, but it is making our habit dull. So especially youngsters, they are lacking patience very well. They don't have patience in them because they think that everything is available. Then why success is not mine? Success will be mine in just one day or just but that's not true. Success takes time. Success does not comes quickly, it takes time. Success does not comes overnight. Consider a case of farmer. What does he do? He used to harvest crops, and he used to bow the seeds, and after that when the time comes of fruits, he till then he keep patience. He has taken so steps to grow that fruit or grow that seeds, but still he keep patience, and in return what he get a fruitful result. So same as in everyone's life, everyone should be keep patience in life, because when you will keep patience, you will get what you want to desire, what you want to get. For patience, the best example is Thomas Edison. Before the discovery of bulb, he has failed 1,000 times, but he didn't lose patience. He always try and hard. He always try hard and hard, so that he will be able to invent that bulb. And last, what result he get? He gets that he was able to invent that bulb properly. So these examples or these things teaches us that patience is really important in life. Yes, life is really interesting, but it will feel boring when you will not have patience, when you will not have do consistently anything. You will feel bored in life. For a student or for a competitive exam students, we have to take patience in our heart, that anything we can't, any topic we can't, all topic we can't mug up in one day. We have to think that it takes time, and mock test score will also not improve drastically. It will take time, it will improve gradually. So if we will work day by day harder and harder, and with consistency, with patience, then we will definitely get success in life. And successful people are example of that. Successful people have always keep patience in their heart. You can take example of Shahrukh Khan. Shahrukh Khan was firstly used to act in a Indian soap opera, and then he came into Bollywood. So he also kept patience in his heart. Then only he was able to get success in life. So life teaches us to keep patience, dear. Then only you will able to get what you want in life. For example, I am also keeping patience in my life. I know that I am working hard. Someday I will get success in my life, definitely. So we all should have patience in our life. That's all, and that's matter the most. And I have given you example also of Thomas Edison and farmer. These are the best example, which shows that if you will keep patience, your result will be yours. So that's all for today video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.